I'm going to show you how to absolutely crush it with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program works, how you can get approved, and everything you need to know on how you can crush it with this business. Now guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how you can start a full-time passive income business with affiliate marketing. Now, I actually got introduced to Legendary Marketer in June of 2019, and this is what totally changed the projection of my life, and this is the program that helped me quit my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. Now let me show you exactly how this program works, how you can get approved, and how you can clone my exact system, my 6-figure funnel, so you can start crushing it with affiliate marketing and Legendary Marketer. Now, before I give you everything you need to crush it with this business, I want to go through the actual affiliate program first, how it works, why it's so powerful, and why I love Legendary Marketer, okay? So first of all, guys, this is the affiliate back office, okay? There's a lot of things going on here, and I want to kind of explain how it works, okay? So up here on the left is the start. Now, what I really like about this is absolutely free, and basically they show you how to crush it with Legendary Marketer, okay? It's a free kind of mini course on how you can crush it, okay? Now, the next thing is the e-wallet. This is actually how you get paid once you start earning commissions. You set that up all in the background, and you get paid out straight to your bank account. You can get paid out with check, however you want to do that. Now the next one here, this is really cool. They actually give you all these funnels here, okay? So basically they're gonna give you all these funnels to get up and going, and how you can basically start promoting their books, their actual 15-day challenge, their copywriting book, 15-second lead, which actually I'm a part of. But actually at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you my 6-figure funnel that has been very successful and how you can replicate it as soon as today, okay? But I just wanna show you the funnels that they have, that they offer as well, okay? Now, they also have this leads area. Basically, you can kind of see all the leads that you're generating here. Basically, if you're sending people directly to their pages, then it's gonna show up as a lead. Now, if you're collecting your own leads, then it's not gonna show up. So I just wanna kind of mention that first, okay? Same thing with your members. It shows up once someone becomes an actual customer. You can see if, as they're going through the process, okay? Reports just gives you a report of how much you're making, how much your customer is worth, all that good stuff. My favorite is the scoreboard. You can see how you're doing, compared to the top people in the last, 7 days, the last 30 days, all that good stuff. So this is really cool because you can compare yourself to other people. I'm not saying you should compare yourself, but you can kind of see where you're at, when you're first getting started, okay? All right, commissions is where it shows you the back-end system. This is where it shows you how much you made. Now, I can't show you this because Legendary Market doesn't allow you to show this area anymore, so I'm not going to show that, but it shows you how much you're making, which is really, really important, right? All right, custom funnels, guys. This is gonna show you all the funnels that they're gonna give you that you can import. It's gonna show you how to do it, all that good stuff, okay? Really, really important, obviously, if you wanna be able to control your business and be able to build your email list, which I'm gonna show you how to do at the end of this video. I just wanna walk through how the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program works before I get into how to actually crush it with this and what's working today in 2021. I'm gonna show you a really, really cool method that not a lot of people are doing, okay? So, this is what I wanna talk about here is the pro streams of income, guys. This is really cool because you can actually get more income streams on the back end, right? So they're gonna allow you to promote things like ClickFunnels, GetResponse, and Aweber, okay? What's really cool here is I can add my ClickFunnels link, I can add my GetResponse link, and when someone buys ClickFunnels or GetResponse, then I get that commission as well, okay? Really, really powerful because not only you're getting commission with Legendary Marketer, but you're also getting commission on the back end as well, okay? Now, how much commission can you actually make, right? How much money can you make with Legendary Marketer? Now, this is how much you can make, all right? Now, what I want to explain here, there's a pro commission and a basic commission, all right? With the pro commission, you actually pay about $30 a month to become a pro commission. Now, I highly recommend you do that because you're gonna get way more money, okay? So let's just say you get a $2,500 sale, okay? You get a $2,500 sale. If you're a pro member, you get $1,000. If you're not a pro member, you only get $250, okay? So highly recommend that you get the pro commission. And it's, like I said, it's only $30. Yeah, you can see here, it's $29.95 per month to get that pro. Now, also with the pro, if I go back here, you can get the extra streams of income as well, okay? As you can see here, you have to be a pro member, okay? So that's how the affiliate program works. So I wanna talk about how you can actually actually crush it with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. So I'm gonna give you 3 steps on how you can crush it with the program. But before that, I wanna talk about how are people making money with this program, right? What are the top people in the industry doing right now to actually crush it with Legendary Marketer? Very simple, okay? They're driving traffic from a platform like TikTok or YouTube, and they're driving it to a 2-step bridge page. Now, if you don't know what that is, okay, it's basically a page where you collect an email address, and then on the next page is called a bridge page, and I'm gonna show you how this works in just a second, okay? It's a bridge page where it teaches, or it shows them why they need to get Legendary Marketer, and it gives authority from you to the actual program you're promoting. And I'm gonna give you guys all this, okay? This is gonna be all plug and play. You can use this because I've been able to create a 6-figure business with this exact model, and I'm going to give this to you, okay? Now, after the bridge page, you send them to the actual Legendary Marketer link where you then promote the actual business. Now, the important thing to understand is you're collecting your own email so you can follow up with people on the back end, okay? Now, let me show you how this works because I know I explained it, but I want you to actually see it visually, okay? This is my 2-step bridge page, okay? Now, this is step number 1, okay? This is how it works, okay? This is step number 1. Basically, this is my opt-in page. Now, the goal of this opt-in page is just to collect an email address. That's the only thing I want here, okay? I have this headline where I'm driving curiosity, and then basically I'm like, hey guys, this is the step-by-step blueprint that helped me quit my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer, right? So this is the headline, and I want an email, okay? Now, the reason why is because now I can control how I contact people. Really, really important, okay? This is how I've built a 6-figure business in just 6 months and quit my job in 9 months, okay? I'm gonna give you all this, okay? I'm gonna show you how to do this in just a second, okay? So step number 2, guys, is this bridge page here. Now, this bridge page is extremely simple. All it is just me giving an intro to the Legendary Marketer program. Now, all I'm doing is, hey guys, my name is Jonathan, and on the next page here, so when they click here, it's gonna send them to this Legendary Marketer program, right? But all I'm doing here is saying, hey guys, my name is Jonathan, and this is what this program has done for me. On the next page, you're gonna learn about David Sharp in the affiliate marketing program. Really important that you have a bridge page because this is gonna allow you to give authority from you to the actual program you're promoting, in this case, Legendary Marketer, okay? Now, if you're promoting Legendary Marketer, if you're promoting any affiliate program, you have to have this bridge page if you wanna be successful long-term, okay? It's gonna really drive conversions, especially if you're, getting traffic from, like, let's just say TikTok or YouTube. So step number 1 is we have to set up this system first, okay? This is called the 2-step funnel system or a 2-step bridge page. There's a lot of words for it, but basically you can either do this yourself inside of ClickFunnels, or I'm gonna give this to you as well, okay? So if you guys wanna copy my exact same funnel, my exact same system, I'm gonna leave a link down below, okay? Now it's gonna be the second link because the first link, I'm gonna give you access to a Legendary Marketer if you haven't actually applied to become a Legendary Marketer affiliate, or if you haven't gone through the program. And I'm gonna show you how you can get approved with Legendary Marketer even if you haven't been approved yet. I'm gonna show you how you can get approved as well, okay? Now, step number 1, we have to set up the system. Step number 2, we have to start driving traffic. We have to get customers to this bridge page, to this opt-in page, so we can start, building our email list and start getting conversions, okay? So I'm gonna go show you how we can start getting traffic as fast as possible, okay? Now, once we created this system that I'm gonna give this to you, now we gotta drive traffic. Now, right now, the hottest method is TikTok, okay? TikTok affiliate marketing is just crushing it right now, guys, okay? This is a brand new account that I just started posting a few weeks ago, and you can see here over 19,000 followers and like viral views here, guys. 100,000 views here, 95,000 views here. Like, I'm getting a ton of views here, okay? Now, what's cool, this is just my test account. I'm driving like hundreds and hundreds of leads every single day, okay? Now, this is my main account here, Passive Income Lifestyles, and this one is where I'm promoting my own program. But guys, basically start your TikTok because this is gonna be the fastest way to start driving leads, start driving traffic to the Legendary Marketer affiliate program, okay? Now, this is what I would recommend if you just wanna start driving some fast traffic, start getting people to the website as fast as possible. I think right now TikTok is still crushing and still gonna crush it for the next few years. Not sure how much longer that TikTok will be able to give you this sort of viral traffic, but take advantage now, guys. I think for 2021, 2022, possibly 2023, this is gonna be a hot traffic source. And I know that for a fact because I just started this account here and it's already crushed it. Now, how do we crush it with TikTok right now, okay? So what I recommend is find 10 to 20 TikTokers that are in your same niche, in your same business, okay? And this is if you're a promoted legendary marketer. You're gonna follow those 10 to 20 people, and I want you to model their top videos, okay? If you model their top videos and send them to that two-step bridge page, that two-step funnel that I'm giving you, guys, there's literally, you're modeling success. I've built a six-figure business with this exact same funnel. It's simple, but it works, okay? I've given this to thousands of my students, and they're absolutely crushing it with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program, the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge, whatever affiliate marketing program you're promoting, okay? Now, that's gonna be the main way to drive traffic if you want to get as much traffic as fast as possible, okay? Obviously, we can go into paid advertising, we can go into YouTube, which is what I recommend long term if you really want to build out this business. TikTok is going to be the fastest way to do this, okay? Now, step number 3 is just copy my exact same formula. So everything I've been talking about, so copy my funnel, copy the type of content I'm making, whether it's on YouTube, TikTok. Guys, I don't mind if you model my success. I've been able to generate a 6-figure income. I've hit my first $60,000 a month, and I've been able to quit my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. And I'm not saying you're gonna make 6 figures, you're gonna quit your job, but what I'm saying is if you follow this step-by-step formula and you're consistent with it, I have no doubt that you can see success, whether it's, you know, the next couple weeks or the next, you know, 5 years. Like, as long as you stay consistent, you're gonna get to where you wanna be. And that's something that I tell any of my students, like, as long as you're consistent, you're gonna see the results that you want. Now, how do you actually get approved for the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program? There's a few things you can do. You can go to the Legendary Marketer page and just apply, but what I recommend is you actually take the 15-day challenge first, and then once you take the challenge, then apply for the actual program itself, okay? Because what they want you guys to do is they want you to understand how the process works before you apply for their program, okay? It doesn't necessarily mean you have to take the program to be approved, but they want good affiliates. They want people that are gonna promote their program the right way, okay? So highly recommend you take the program first. So there's a few links I have in my YouTube description. The first one is the link to Legendary Marketer to buy the actual program, okay? Underneath that is the actual funnel that I'm gonna give you guys, okay? I'm gonna give you that exact same funnel that I mentioned, okay? All you gotta do is just switch up the picture and you're good to go, okay? Guys, once you take the 15-day challenge and you apply for the program, you should be approved. If not, ask them why not. And if you still are having trouble, let me know. You know, reach out to me via Messenger or in the YouTube comments down below. Once you're approved for that, then, you know, copy my exact same funnel and just put your affiliate link in there and start driving traffic. Now, this is a method that's gonna absolutely crush it for you if you're consistent with it, okay? Now, I'm gonna do a part 2 of this video showing you some more advanced strategies on how you can even crush it even more with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. Now, I'm gonna go into some paid advertising, retargeting, and how you can absolutely crush it with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program, but you wanna take it to the next level. You wanna start putting paid ads into it. Maybe you're getting leads with TikTok, with YouTube, but how do we take this to the next level? How can we make way more money? I'm gonna absolutely blow your mind in part number 2, where I'm gonna show you how to crush it with Legendary Marketer, but with paid ads and some more advanced strategies. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was of value. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and we'll see you on the next video.